In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix File Explorer opening too slow in Windows 11 and 10. For that, go to the search bar and type settings, open it, and at the right side you will find an Windows update. Click on it to see if any update is available. Click on check for updates. If the update is available, you can simply update your Windows. The next option to improve File Explorer opening speed is using Disk Cleanup. So go to the search bar and type Disk Cleanup. Open it and click on OK, and from here make sure downloaded program files, temporary internet files, recycle bin, temporary files and thumbnails are selected, and click on OK. Click on delete file. Once done, you can try another method also, which is using Task Manager. So go to the search bar and type Task Manager. Open it, then go to this icon startup apps and disable all the startup apps that you do not need the each time you open your Windows, and done. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.